Hey, you down in front there. How would you like to earn more points? You would? That's great. If you haven't heard of scripting in Townstar, have I got good news for you. Hey everyone, what's up? That's right, in this episode we'll be talking about the basics of scripting, or what some people call auto-selling in Townstar. And if you don't know how to use sell scripts in Townstar, you're definitely not alone. When I first started playing, I had no idea you could use scripts, or really what scripts even were. And I have a bachelor's degree in computer science. Of course, that's from, oh gosh, when was that? 2006. Yeah, I'm old. Okay, so let's just start with what a script is exactly real quick. It is simply a list of commands performed by a certain program. So in this case, we have these commands we write in an editor, and the browser you use performs them. I've used Google Chrome now for a while, so I'll be using that for this. Alright, so a script is a list of commands. How do I know what commands to use? Or, better yet, has someone already done this? First, there are a lot of commands you can use. Second, yes, an awesome guy who goes by Groove on Discord has written some very nice scripts already. And he even has a website where he's posted them. I will definitely make sure to leave a link down in the description below. But let's head over to that website and go check it out now. Here's his site, and for now, we'll start with the Townstar AutoSell version 1. The enhanced leaderboard script he has here lets you click on a name on the leaderboard and it automatically puts your camera on the world map at that town's location. So we're just worried about using the Townstar AutoSell version 1 here. What you need to do is right click to save as, save link as. Alright, so we've got some code with commands. Now we need something to help us edit or change it and run it in the browser. We're going to use the browser extension TamperMonkey. This is the website here. It's tampermonkey.net. I'll leave a link down in the description below also. So you want to come to their site and pick your browser. I chose Chrome and I already have it installed. You want to click on install. Once it's installed, you can come up here to your extensions and do the pin to pin it to your bar. That way you can just easily click on it like this. Look at the dashboard and show your scripts easily that way. So once we have those two things, we're pretty much all set. Click on your extensions, open this, and come down to here to create a new script. And it will open this up. Then you come back to your text file in Notepad. And in Notepad, you can go to Edit and select All. And then say Copy. Come back to TamperMonkey. Highlight all of this. Delete it all. And then hit Paste. Then you can say File, Save. And here it is, Townstar AutoSell. It will automatically turn it on. You can click on the little edit because there's a couple things we still need to do to this actually. First, in this example, Groove had it set to wheat. Right here, this line, crafted item 1 equals wheat. So you need to set that to whatever you want. Even though they've nerfed it 3 times now, let's say Pinot Noir grapes. So there's Pinot Noir grapes. You need to have single quotation marks, and if there's a space in the name, you have to have an underscore there instead. And as an example, there's water drum. You capitalize both starting letters of the word and use the underscore for a space. So with that done, he has another variable here called sell timer. And this says seconds between selling, but it's really more like seconds between attempts to sell. So if you end up setting this sell timer to 5 minutes and you don't have enough grapes, the next time it's going to try and sell is 5 minutes later. I would definitely make sure setting it so you make sure your trade vehicle is back from the city. So here you see it takes 1 minute and 7 seconds. So what I had happening was it would send out the grapes and the water drums would be over 100 also. So before my boat was back, it would bring this up and try to sell, and it couldn't, and it would get stuck on that travel screen, the sell screen. So I realized I need to make that sell timer greater than the travel time. That way I ensure my boat is back or my truck is back. That way I can send out the next thing. And on this line, the depot type, you want to set it to what you want to use. A freight pier or trade depot or anything else. And this whole thing has to do with actually selling. And here we have that if statement, gasoline greater than 0. Then we say if, right here, we're looking at crafted item 1 is greater than 99. Those are the Pinot Noir grapes I want to sell on my freight pier. So if you just want to sell one thing with freight pier, you would do this line, change it depot type to freight pier, and change crafted to item to whatever you want to sell. And then come down here to the second if statement. If get stored crafts, that crafted item is greater than 99. To go on the freight pier, you want 100. So you want it greater than 99. And you shouldn't need to change anything else. Alright, if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Consider subscribing if you want to see more Town Store videos. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.